Hey, this is your final opportunity to purchase a home here at the Oaks at Hope Furnace. These are all lovely colonial houses in a beautiful neighborhood on 45 acres of open space. Each one of these lots and these 3 homes is 1+ acre. These are 4+ bed colonials, 2.5 baths, master suites. They got everything you're looking for in a home. Square footage starts around 2,500 square feet to 2,900 square feet. And one of these homes is still not yet built, where you can go ahead and put your custom touches to it if you'd like. We're urging anybody who wants a turnkey, new construction, beautiful home and to live in Kent County to give us a call today.